I can work in wood or glass or ceramic, whatever I like. I was just looking for there's a little hump in the edge, so I have to sharpen it. It's not quite. And if the wood is hard, I can use that. Makes the wood easier to carve. Yeah. I figure I have made 300-400.
Wake up in the morning and say, I'm going to work with wood today, or clay.
And sometimes I say, not working today. Only experiments. Cool. Sätter den på här.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Too many. What I am doing just now, when I work in clay, that is my favorite. When I work in glass, that is my favorite. When I work carving, that's my favorite. And earlier, when I used a chainsaw, that's what I'm doing at the moment. You have to do the best of what you are doing. No, whatever you do is as good as you can. You understand? If you do your best, do that better next time. Yeah. And my grandfather came here about 1880, and he was a blacksmith. The farm is just hanging like that.
My dad was a farmer too.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Wow.
Ah, you can just clean it. You can burn it. What's your first name? Lind. You can cut it with an angle grinder. Yeah. Grind it yourself. Yeah. If you like, you can take them. My wife, she died in 2003 when she was just finished a sock for knitting. She had to fasten the last thread. Yeah. So she. I hope I end my life sitting with a sharp knife and cutting a good face.